We are back with another product. Shout out to Yolanzi for sending this light over to me. I definitely appreciate it. Thank you so much. So this light is fairly simple to operate. You got two knobs up top. One turns the light on and off and also controls the brightness. The other knob controls the temperature of the light. Whether you like cool color or warm color, this light does both. And on the side of this light, you do have this lock button here to where you can take off this diffuser if needed. So on the back, you do have this fan that automatically comes on because this light does get pretty hot when you turn it up to maximum brightness. So on the bottom, you do have a standard 1/4 adapter. That way this light can be mounted on a tripod, or in my case, I have mine mounted to the Yolanzi BG5 handheld battery grip. So on the side, there is a USB-C port that can be used to power on this light. And also on the BG5 battery grip, there's a USB-C port, which provides power to the light. In addition, the battery grip also includes a 1/4 screw adapter. That way this can be mounted to a tripod as well. Overall, this light is small, compact, bright. I would definitely recommend it if you need to add some lighting to your setup.